Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are making bean stew. So in my saucepan I'll add some red oil, which is palm oil. I'll let it heat a bit, then I'll quickly add my grains of saline, my cumin, my fennel seeds, and aniseed. After a minute I'll add my chopped onions, green, yellow, red bell pepper, and some chili pepper. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So after a minute, I'll then add my chopped tomatoes to it and I'll stir it again. After 2 minutes, I'll then add my powdered fish, salt, nutmeg, and seasoning cube. Then I'll mix everything together. I'll continuously fry this for 2 minutes, then I'll add a little bit of tomato paste to it and I gently stir so that everything is mixed completely. Bean stew is a popular stew which you can eat with your kenkey, your rice, plantain, banku, and other dishes. So now I have my cooked beans here. Now I'll just add it into the stew and I'll mix everything together. So I'll make sure that all the cooked beans is added to the stew and I'll let it cook for additional 3 to 5 minutes before I switch off my flame. So at this point, I'll be adding a little bit of red oil, but you may choose not to add. I just wanted a little bit of color, that is why I added small amount of palm oil. So after a few minutes, and my bean stew will be ready for serving. So at this point, you can see how beautiful the bean stew looks. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye.